Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset Roborock S8. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you need to reset your Roborock S8 to its factory settings, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and follow some steps here. So first things first, you want to open the top hatch on your Roborock S8. Now inside it, you will find a reset button. So it looks like similar to this one. Now, you will need to use a thin object or something that is thin enough like a pencil or a pen to press it. Now, you want to press and hold the reset button, or in this case using a paper clip or something similar here, and keep holding until you hear a voice prompt confirming the factory reset. Now, if there is no voice prompt here, check the Wi-Fi LED light, and if it turns off, the reset was successful. Now, if your Roborock S8 is still connected to the mobile app here, you need to follow some steps here. So in this case, you want to open up Roborock app on your smartphone, and you want to tap on the three dot menu in the top right corner, and just scroll down and select the device, and confirm by tapping on OK. Now, once completed, Roborock S8 will be restored to its factory settings and ready to be set up again. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.